eBay versus Amazon for dropshipping. Which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to do a quick comparison between eBay and Amazon. And if you're going for a third-party source like Alibaba and starting your dropshipping business by importing items from China or any of these Chinese platforms where you're going to get these items for cheap and then sell them on your eBay or Amazon seller profiles or accounts, and what kind of profits are you going to be able to make on both of these platforms? As if you don't want to create your own website where you would have to do your own marketing, which website or which third-party retailer is going to be more beneficial for you? So starting off with Amazon, you're going to pay a flat fee of $39, almost $40 a month, plus some selling fees on becoming a Amazon seller. So that is something you need to keep into consideration. You're going to be paying $40 a month regardless of you making a sale or not, and then you have to learn about additional selling fees as well. So every time you sell a product, you are going to be giving some money to Amazon as well. However, there are advantages of Amazon that we will get to in just a second. But before that, we have to look at eBay. Well, on eBay, the fees are a lot less. You have a pre-sale fee and a post-sale fee, and you can calculate your individual fees as well. To become a seller on eBay, it's free for up to 250 listings per month. So every month, if you're only looking to list 250 products, you can sell them for free on eBay. And you have an additional listing cost of 0.35 if you want to exceed the free listing limit. You also have a detailed categorized list on how the fees of eBay are going to work. You're going to be able to see what kind of categories you're going to be paying what fees on. Some fees for some categories are exceptionally larger, like 12.55% for a sale up to $7,500. But if you're making if you're selling sneakers over $100, you're going to get a 0% final fee. So depending on what kind of products you're looking to sell, the fees on eBay are going to be variable, but they're going to be very less as well. And as long as you're selling your first 120 items, you're not going to be paying any fees at all. So all you need to do to become a seller on eBay is just click on Start Selling on eBay over here, and then you can start with your account. So you're going to click on List an Item, and now you can choose any item that you want. So first off, you can type up your keywords that describe your items. So let's just say we are doing clothing, and now you're going to add as many different matches as you can for your product or your item. You're going to add detailed description. So let's say it is an unbranded item and it has a t-shirt dress style. The size is a regular and the dress length is short. It's in the color green. And after you have added as many possible matches as you can, you're going to click on View Possible Matches. It's new with tags. And now you can list your items and just continue with your Google account or your email account to start selling on eBay. However, on Amazon, it's a bit difficult to become a seller. First off, you're going to click on Sign Up over here. And then to actually start selling your products, you're going to have to pay a fee. But you can create your Amazon seller account for free over here. So I already have an account. I'm going to log in and I'm going to skip this for now. But you can create your account for free, but as soon as you want to sell, you're going to have to pay those $40 at the start. Now we're just going to click on Agree. Now, after adding your business to your Amazon account, you're going to have to verify your business as well. And that just takes a lot of extra time. While on eBay, you can just start selling with your basic email account. Now, this is just a general overview of how you're going to set up your accounts on both of these platforms. But to discuss their pros and cons in details, we need to do a far more deeper dive into the actual dropshipping features on both of these platforms. Well, starting off with Amazon's. First off, you have a variety of goods and you can distribute them via the Amazon network. So Amazon has the greatest advantage in terms of shipment because on Amazon you have Amazon Prime and you can ship items with Amazon Prime for very, very low costs as well as very fast shipping in comparison to usual USPS or any other shipment service that you might be choosing. So even if you just take a look at any of these items, and Amazon has the largest customer base in comparison to both of these platforms because Amazon is a global entity. While eBay, however, it might be considered global, it's not exactly that, as it's not as large as Amazon. So if you're looking to reach a larger customer base, you're definitely going to find that on Amazon. Now, next up, the advantage of Amazon are very, very close to eBay, is that you get instant exposure to a wider audience, and you will get that with eBay as well, as compared to maybe if you were going on Alibaba and buying the products and selling them on your own website, you're not going to get that kind of traction as you're going to get on Amazon or eBay. But on Amazon, it's going to be slightly more than eBay. But that serves as a con as well, because if I go and search for t-shirts for men, I'm going to find thousands and thousands of listings. So there are over 50,000 listings. And if you're looking to start your business in a very basic niche or basic category, you're going to find that there is a lot of competition on Amazon. And although there is competition on eBay as well, so if I search for t-shirt for men, I'm going to find competition, but it's not going to be as fierce as it is on Amazon. And that's because of how large the Amazon audience is. So if I search for listings over here, there are over 8 million listings, but that's like an accurate number. These are not verified listings. Most of these are going to be just sample listings, but generally Amazon is the more audience-focused platform. Now, next up on the cons, we have the fees for listings. You pay a very small fee percentage on the eBay listing program, as I just showed you guys, that it's very, very minimal. And if we just go on to eBay over here, we're going to continue with our account. You're going to see that you only pay like $2.50 or 25 cents to list a item on eBay, but you're going to be paying a $50 flat fee, and then you're going to be paying more selling costs on Amazon. So in general, Amazon is going to be the more pricier platform to work with. Next up, you have data on sales exposures. Well, you won't be able to view all of your sales results on Amazon, and Amazon uses its data for improper purposes. That's something that has been alleged on Amazon. So you're not going to be getting a lot of data on how well your products are doing unless you actually go on to Helium 10, which is a product hunting tool, and you can use these Amazon product hunting tools to view the success of your own products as well. So you can just click on sign up for free over here, and you can click on any of their black box tools where you're going to be able to see what kind of general overall analytics that you need, what kind of keywords are doing better with your own products as well. Now, next up, you have a long-term customer liaison. So you're not going to be able to establish a direct relationship between your customers on Amazon. So if a customer buys from you, so if I buy this black t-shirt, I'm really never going to be inclined to search for this seller again, because, well, I just bought it off Amazon. Amazon is the overall umbrella brand that I'm going to refer to this. I don't care what brand it actually was. I'm never going to actually bother to go onto their store and view other items that they have posted. Now, and next up on the cons of Amazon is no tailoring. So there is no flexibility with Amazon. You'll be constrained to do everything under the Amazon brand. So if you want to market an item very differently, you can't really do that. All you can do is add a few images to your seller account, and then you can start selling your items there. But if you have a different idea, if you want maybe a custom pop-up, anything like that, you can't do that under the guise of Amazon. Now, in terms of cons of eBay, first off, you have listing fees, which are a lot less than Amazon listing fees. That is a very, very large pro on this platform. And then you have constant monitoring. So eBay is a auction platform, and people can bet on your items, and you can see over here there are discounts on small items as well, but you can also bet on an item, and this enables you to further increase your chances of getting a higher price for your item that you might have not even thought of as a item that you could get more money out of. If you're looking to sell anything in the art niche, so if you search for art, you can see over here there are many different items for art, and this allows you to negotiate with your sellers. So over here we have this art piece, and it has been listed for $5 to $26, and depending on the size and whatnot, you can sell it at different prices as well. So we've talked a lot about the pros of eBay, and we're not really going on to the cons, because the cons include a long-term customer relationship. You're not going to be able to build that on eBay as well. Just as you couldn't build it on Amazon, you can't do it over here. People are not going to be interested in buying from you again unless you provide some extraordinary customer support. You're not going to be the person that people are going to, constantly go back to purchase off. And next up, you have no asset building. So if you're looking to create an actual business, so if you're looking to create a nail art business, then you can't really do it off of either Amazon or eBay, because if you're looking for something that is more professional, you're definitely going to have to go on to Wix, make your own website, go on to Ecwid, and make your own e-commerce platform. Because if you're selling on these third-party platforms, it only takes long enough for you to be drowned out by the competition. So if you want a actual customer base, a long-term business, and a long-term relationship with your customers with proper branding, packaging, and listings according to your own customizations. So, listings over here are very rigid. If I go into shop by category, everything needs to be categorized according to eBay, and you can do this differently on your own e-commerce store if you build it with Ecwid, Shopify, or any other e-commerce builders. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to choose whether you want to sell on Amazon or eBay with your dropshipping business. Personally, I would suggest that you go with Amazon and slowly but steadily move on to Ecwid and create your own e-commerce platform. But generally, I do think that although Amazon is pricier at the start, it can lead to larger profit margins. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.